Hello everybody, today we're going to make a paper sofa, and for this craft we will need 2 pieces of scrap paper. So let's start. So we have to make these 2 pieces of paper into a square. So you know what to do. Fold it into a triangle, crease it down, and fold it like that. Now rip it. There we go. Now to make the green one into a square, so you have to fold it into a triangle, like that. Push it down, and fold it like that, onto the edge. Crease that down, and you can fold this one over if you want to make it easier for yourself. Now we're going to rip it. There we go. So we're going to put these pieces of scrap paper away. We'll need those as well. So we have to fold this in half, like that. And open it up and fold it in half again. Push it down. Now we're going to make a box. So fold it in like that. Fold it in again. And do the same for the other 2. So now we're going to fold it into that line, so that edge to that line in the middle. There you go, and do the same for the other side. Crease it down. Now we're going to fold that edge into the middle. Make it equal. And do the same for the other side. There we go. And we're going to open it up and pull those 2 flaps out. So now we're going to fold that in like that and fold the other one in again. And then put your fingers right there into that square and fold it in like that. Then we're going to do the same for the other side. Do it like that. So you want to make it equal, not funky or anything. So that's our first half of the box done. We can put that triangle down. That. There we go. So now we're going to do the other half. So fold it in into half, there we go. And then do the same right there. Now we're going to fold it in into 4 other triangles. So do the same for the other 3. Now we're going to fold that edge not into the middle but a bit away from the middle, like that. And you want to try and make it equal for the other side too. It doesn't have to be perfectly equal, but just try. And now we're going to do the same for the other edges. So leave a little gap, like that. There you go. Now we're going to fold out those 2. Fold those 2 edges in, like that. And put our fingers right there. Then fold it down, like that. Turn it around, do the same. And there we go. So that's our other half of the box finished. Now we're going to put them together. There we go. So that's a box right there. So now we're going to turn it over, take a bit of that green paper, and we're going to measure it. So put that green paper as much as you can in there and just crease it where that much. And now we're going to crease that, fold like that. That. You might want to press your box in if it's a bit loose and then rip it. You might want to actually as well fold it a few times like that, then rip it. There we go. So now we're going to just fold it like that, make a little hole right there, and we're going to put it in. So that's like the back of your sofa. So now we're going to do the two other bits. So fold that bit like that. So fold it in. There we go. And then fold it like that. Now we're going to crease it on that line. If it's come a bit loose, you can just tuck it in again. Then rip it. There we go. Now I'm going to make them into squares. Don't fit like that. You can rip it in half again. Like that. There we go. Then fold it in. And there. So that's the armrest. And we're going to do the other one. There we go. Then rip it. There you go. And rip it in half. We have to fold it in half. Then rip it. There you go. And do that and tuck it in. And tuck those bits in as well. So that's our finished sofa right there. If you want, you can actually add some legs to the sofa, and it's really easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.